Agricultural professionals shouldn't have to compromise when it comes to the strength, quality, and long life of their grain storage systems. MFS Stormore agrees and has invested the time, manpower, and resources to develop products that incorporate not only industry-leading technology and features that set us apart, but deliver unmatched functionality, durability, and value to our customers around the world. When MFS Stormore designs new products and product features, they aren't simply turned over to our qualified engineering team. They also reach out to our sales staff, manufacturing personnel and dealers, customers and builders alike to determine potential enhancements to product designs. This input is gathered, analyzed, and then incorporated into every product to ensure it's the best it can be and meets the needs and standards of every audience it reaches. But even a well-designed product is only as good as the materials it's made from. MFS Stormore uses only American-made ASTM A653 grade 50 and 55 steel that boasts up to 50,000 pounds per square inch of yield strength and 70,000 pounds per square inch of tensile strength. Additionally, MFS Stormore uses G115 galvanization on all sidewall, stiffener, and bin roof components. G115 galvanization provides up to 27% longer product life and is far superior to the G90 used by most other leading bin manufacturers. The third part of the MFS Stormore equation is quality manufacturing, and MFS Stormore has invested heavily in a state-of-the-art proprietary roll-form production system for bin roofs and sidewalls. Light years ahead of anything in the industry today, this sophisticated operation enables MFS Stormore to achieve industry-leading standards in precision and repeatable quality on every component produced. This system also enables MFS Stormore to better control costs and increase production speed, so orders can be built more quickly, shipped more quickly, and erected more quickly. The roof panel production line was designed by MFS Stormore to ensure their bin roofs continue to lead the industry in reliability, performance, and high-quality standards. MFS Stormore roofs cost-effectively handle large loads for the long term and have the best performance specifications in the industry. Plus, MFS Stormore fully complies with ASABE and Eurocode standards and was the first manufacturer to use ASCE 7-10 for their grain bin design. MFS Stormore bins have the undisputed highest wind and snow load ratings in the industry, claims that are backed up with tested and documented data. As steel coil is fed into the system, it's leveled and the outer edges are precisely trimmed to ensure each roof sheet is identical, a step most bin manufacturers don't include. As the roof sheets are formed, notice the rib height taking shape. MFS Stormore bin roofs are the undisputed strongest in the industry, and this tremendous strength comes from a collaborative design that focuses on 5 critical elements: material grade and thickness, roof rib height, rib width at both the top and base of the sheet, width and depth of the steps in the ribs, and the eave forming design. Robotic arms precisely control distances between holes from rib to rib, so that each hole punched will exactly match the next sheet in line. Most manufacturers measure hole distance from the edge of the coil, which produces inconsistent results as the width of the sheets can vary. Because the MFS Stormore process is computer controlled, each sheet is a perfect match to every other sheet. These carbon copy sheets help create bin roofs that are unsurpassed in strength and long life, and that generate praise from contractors because they're much faster and easier to erect. The MFS Stormore roof design uses 3 roof sheets per sidewall sheet for maximum strength and eliminates unnecessary hardware. As roof sheets come off the line, the manway roof sheet and optional vent hole roof sheet are precisely punched before shipping and final assembly at the job site. See how the holes line up perfectly with every sheet below? That's precision manufacturing. Just like our roof sheets, MFS Stormore sidewall sheets set the industry standard for strength, quality, and long life. But the true benefit is the optimal protection these high-grade components offer, assuring customers of high-quality grain for maximum returns on their investment. The high-tech sidewall roll former is capable of handling steel coils weighing up to 17,500 pounds. And MFS Stormore typically uses more than 1 million pounds of steel every 3 days. The sidewall coil is first exactly centered on the roll former using laser technology. The steel then begins its journey through the most sophisticated and precise systems in the industry. Precise manufacturing is essential in the grain storage industry, especially as storage systems get bigger and bigger. The MFS Stormore roll former can handle steel as thick as 5 gauge, which is nearly 30% thicker than materials found in competitive products. This heavier material reduces the amount of lamination required for large capacity commercial systems that saves time during construction and enables engineers to optimize designs. All MFS Stormore storage system sidewalls use 2.66-inch narrow corrugation, no matter what gauge of steel is being used, as narrow corrugation delivers the greatest strength advantage for both horizontal grain and wind loads. Anything less is unacceptable. Sidewall sheets are then cut to length by an automated flying shear, and robotic arms make sure each sidewall sheet is exactly positioned as holes are punched. Notice there's no burring on the edges or depressions around the punched holes. The MFS Stormore roll form system is so unique in the industry that customers and dealers around the world visit the facility each year to view for themselves how high-quality ag products are produced. These tours include a stop at the Dare to Compare Center, where MFS Stormore components are compared side by side with the same components from other leading bin manufacturers. Note the height of the MFS Stormore rib versus a competitor sheet, and how the MFS Stormore step ridges are designed for added strength. The rugged hemmed drop edge deflects moisture, eliminates sharp edges, and strengthens the cross-section of the roof sheet. These features give MFS Stormore ribs the strength to withstand adverse weather conditions and handle the large peak loads that today's systems demand. And note how the MFS Stormore rib is straight and tight from top to bottom. Compare that to a competitor rib. Notice how it wavers. And poor manufacturing processes have caused inconsistent nesting of the roof ribs, resulting in less strength and sealing between panels. Here you can see how the hole patterns on competitive products don't line up. And notice how the surface around the holes is deformed due to improperly maintained punches. The precision of MFS Stormore manufacturing means less leak potential, longer bin lifespan, increased functionality, and better quality grain for added customer revenue. For example, all MFS Stormore bins have rigidized roof panels for a cleaner look and greater strength. Raised stamped frame openings prevent leaks and add strength and stability. Pre-punched holes for easy assembly and tighter door fit. Manways with heavy-duty gaskets for safer access. And locking door springs to prevent accidental closing and wind vibration. The list goes on and on, from eave connections to extra-large manways to roof vents. Customers are able to see and compare the differences and walk away with an understanding that not all bins are created equal. So what does this quality and technology mean to our customers? It means MFS Stormore products are quick and easy to erect, last longer, and offer greater functionality and desired features at the same or lower price than comparable competitive products. It means fewer headaches and maintenance over the life of the product. It means access to the best sales and service network in the business. And it means MFS Stormore customers will have the products needed to maximize the quality and revenue for their hard-earned harvests for years to come. As you can see, precision and quality don't come easy or cheap. But MFS Stormore, a division of Global Industries, has made this investment and is committed to your success, both now and in the future, by setting the industry standard for product strength, quality, and long life, with the ongoing promise to produce the highest quality products at the greatest possible value for you, our customer. MFS Stormore, a proud division of Global Industries. Together, we mean business.